Hey there, how's it going? This is Christmas Drawings, and today we're going over how to draw a Christmas bird. Really simple, really easy. It's for beginners, and anyone can do it. So follow along with me, grab a marker. If not, you can just kind of watch it. It's only a couple minutes, so all right, pay attention, and let's go. Small curve of a line, and it's going to be the bottom of the hat. Top of that, it's going to be the brim of the Christmas hat. Pulling these lines, they taper off into a ball. Really simple. Pulling forward. The beak of the bird. Back end where the beak ends. You know, kind of nasal cavity of the beak. Here. Pulling down. Tummy of the bird. The top part of the wing. It's going to end at the very end, the wing itself. The eye. It's going to draw that upside down eye because I like the way it looks. Pull down to the feet, and the feet, I'm going to draw kind of 3 nubs. And then the back end of the wings on the other side. And then the bottom of the beak here. And that's it. If you want, you can kind of connect this to make a little bit of a difference of a color, you know, the way it looks. And also, if you want, you can actually draw a thicker line around the entire border. And that kind of gives it more of a sticker-like feel. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys found that useful. If you guys did find that useful, what's even more useful is my ebook. Check that out. It's how to draw cute things. So basically you're taking anything and cutifying it in the proportions of being cute. Totally free ebook. It's about 10 pages or so. Check that out. That's in the description below. Get that. And I'm not sure how long I'm going to be offering that, to be honest. I might pull that. So get it as soon as you can. And I'll talk to you soon.